evening po sa inyo lahat. Binili ko yan, ha? Personally, hindi yan tie-up.
Ba't na palayo?
Binili ko yan.
Thank you.
Palayo, pininturahan ko pa yan. Sa bahay kanina.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And thank you for coming over.
200 pala isa nito.
What's new now with you?
Ito, kaya there's no special occasion kung bakit ako nandito. Wala akong pre-promote. Although, tatlong bagay kung bakit ako nandito ngayon. Unang-una, Christmas, hindi tayo magkasama. Pangalawa, birthday mo, hindi tayo nagkasama. At syempre, yung pangatlo, pula yan, Valentine's, hindi rin tayo nagkasama.
Nakita tayo ah!
Nakita tayo, pero kumain lang kami ni Casey, hindi tayo. Ngayon, magsasama na tayo.
Oo.
Ikaw, Sharon, sure.
At saka, I think we should tell them already about the...
Well, ano po yun? Saka na lang. Huwag na ngayon.
Saka na muna.
Kaya masyado kayo malayo eh.
Hindi naman. Anyway, basta may a-announce kami soon.
Hindi kaya malaki kaming hadlang ni Jimmy rito. Iwan kaya namin kayong dalawa rito. Hindi naman.
Mag-usap muna kayo dyan sa tabi.
Ay, panunuorin na lang namin kayo rito.
Hindi, yung gustong i-announce ni Sharon kanina, kasi buntis ako.
Hindi, nothing serious.
No, maybe next time na lang. So, we're here now, we're having fun. No special occasion, it's just a happy night,
That's
happy
right.
evening. And these are very nice flowers.
Thank you so much for these flowers. I think at least it would be safe to let them know that we are preparing something very special for all of you.
Oh, sige. No,
Right, diba?
it's a movie, but ano, yun na. So, have a nice evening. Di na ako tatagal dito.
Thank you so much.
Of your time.
Chris! Ah!
Hindi ako mapapayag na walang kiss bago tayo magkahiwa-hiwalay rito. Bigis na muna kay Jimmy.
Naku, we'd like to say hi first to Casey. Casey's watching.
Hello, baby. I am sick also, like Mama. We
Yeah.
have cough and Manny gusto niya dahil. Hello, Manny. How's my love? My love.
Money?
Yeah. As we always talk in the set that,
I knew it, Money.
nag-shooting kami ni Manny. Like Fanny Serrano is my love also.
Ah, really, ah?
He's here.
Who's the one you love talaga? Question na.
Ganda ng bulaklak. Maraming salamat po. See you again.